G'day, Jason here from Crofts Total Chiropractic with a short video for you today on using a neck roll which helps loosen up stiff arthritic necks, necks that are affected by posture, looking down into computers if you're driving a lot. It just helps break up that tension and helps with bringing the head back up over the shoulders. So you're going to use a towel for this one. In this case I've got a beach towel. Bigger heads, heavier heads, longer necks might need a beach towel or a bath sheet type of towel. Average to shorter necks, you could get away with a standard bath towel. So what we're going to do, we're going to start folding the towel, which I'll just pop down on the ground to show you. Start with folding the towel. Okay, you're going to lay it out flat. You're going to bring the edges of the towel in towards the center. So we have a little narrow gap up the middle, and then we're going to roll firmly. That way we end up with two firm bits and a softer bit in the middle. So the first step with actually using it is getting on the ground safely without hurting your neck. So just going to go down on the side there, roll onto the back. From there I'm going to put the roll underneath the neck. The soft bit in the center goes along the vertebra, firm bit on either side. The trick is we want the neck to bend up over the roll. Weight of the head is going to elongate the neck. So we want a little gap at the back of the head. Should be able to slide a finger underneath. Once you're done, to get off it safely, roll onto your side and then push up sideways. Okay, so other points to consider with this one is you do ideally want to do it on the floor. You don't want to be on a mattress where you can potentially sag into it and therefore lose the effect of the roll extending and opening the neck. On the floor you will get that extension and fully open the neck joints, get maximum benefit. To start with, 2 minutes will be heaps for most people. Always a good idea to set a timer on your phone. It's surprising how often you get comfortable and you'll doze off. So if you do fall asleep on it, you will be sore from being overstretched. So really important to set the timer. Once you're comfortable with it, doing that 2 minutes in the beginning, eventually you can build up a bit at a time until you get to 10 minutes at a time, which is sufficient and probably maximum for most people. Okay, so I've also been getting some questions about these neck cloud, I think they're called, on the internet. They're popping up all over the place. They are actually quite suitable. The problem is they're not one size fits all. The towel is infinitely adjustable. These ones are actually good for longer necks and probably heavier heads and necks like mine, where the weight of it will compress to a suitable size. Other thing to note, there is a big side and then there is a smaller side as well. So principles are the same. Get yourself on the ground safely, put it in there, put it in underneath the neck, and you should just have that little gap at the back of the head. I've got one of these at the clinic. If you're curious about it, come on in and I can measure on you to see if it is actually suitable for you. But as I said, a towel is infinitely adjustable and totally portable. You know, if you go away on a break, you're going to have a towel with you wherever you go, so no excuse not to be able to do exercise. For more information, you can go to our website www.crofstotalchiro.com.au, or you can email me j.patterson@crofstotalchiro.com.au. Leave some contact details. I can get back to you and we can discuss your concerns or any specific problems you may be having, or call the clinic on 66524025. Talk to our friendly assistants at the front desk and we can make an appointment and get the ball rolling for you as soon as possible.